Alright, welcome to OHO. We're going to quickly change out the prop from an 18 pitch to a 15. And I'm going to show you how to do it. The reason why is I'm going to have 6 people in the boat rather than like a typical 3 or 4. So I want to make sure I have enough torque. So whether you're on this type of keyway or this type of keyway, either way you need an 1.8" socket. And we're going to hook it on here. Put the light down for a second. Remember, again, you got to hold the prop, go into it, make sure it's unloosened, and break it free. And you're going to keep going. It's a self-locking nut. You'll feel the threads kind of give you a little slack. Kind of turn the prop counter, get the nut loosened up. Pull up the keyway. This is the keeper for the nut so it doesn't come loose. And see this hub style here with the plate's on right here. Don't want to take that off. You can inspect this. So while you have it apart, you can take off this slide washer right here, spacer. Inspect this, make sure that everything looks good, that it's all sealed up nice. Spins good. Put that right back on. So I'm gonna put a 15 pitch on, and reason for it is we're taking on some family that might have 6 people in the boat tomorrow. So here's the same hub assembly. This goes right in the hub. So every hub assembly could be different, and again, if you have a different prop, this hub assembly is meant for, this is the one with a keyway on it. See, there's the keyway style. They're interchangeable, really. See, there's the keyway style. Let's put the keyway in there. You can pull this hub out if you wanted to. Take this other one, insert this hub into it, and now you have the other style, which is this style here. So it's really kind of interchangeable, which is very common. You may have this type of keyway, which is also very common. And basically what happens is you have to line up a couple of these. You see ones with the holes on them. They all kind of have holes, but they line up right here on the hub assembly. So you got to tighten up put your nut in there. Your nut will go down here. It tightens up to a certain point, and you just see this one. You can lock in here. You can lock in here and lock in here. So basically, you get about 3 of them that lock in. The other ones just stay up. So there's nothing to worry about. But 1, 2, 3 will be pinned down, and you'll tighten it up. And I'm not going to put this type of hub assembly in because it's the same difference. It's a hub and a hub. You'll see that as we take it apart. We're going to go with the one that the manufacturer gave to us, which is this one here. And there's a hub assembly inside. We're going to slide this baby on. I will put this hub in first. That way it drops in. And then you go to the motor. And that's it. She goes on right there. And that's it. She goes on right there. Put in this keyway. Make sure it's lined up on that slot there. Yes, you can put it right here. Does not make a difference. Put our nut back on. Once again, get our 1.8" ratchet. Now we'll tighten it up. And we'll hold this prop. Okay, so you can see how that's in the keyway. So we can continue to tighten while this is locked into the keyway. Obviously mine are kind of already pre-bent a little bit, but I won't go, and I'll keep the socket up. I won't go all the way down. Normally you go all the way down as long as these are laying flat. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that right there. Making sure I don't put my socket all the way to the base because you want to make sure that these are staying in the position. So yeah, right there is tight. You can see how it's laying gonna lay flat right here across this one, across this one. That's probably perfect right there, to be honest. I mean, ideally you can go in the middle, but snug is just past snug a little bit, and ideally, so just past snug a little bit, ideally with that right there. And what we're gonna do is take a screwdriver, and bend that up and bend that up, which locks them in. You don't have anything special. I mean, you can grab a pair of channel locks, go across this right here, grab onto those two clips that are pointing up right here, and make sure they're, give them a squeeze. Just make sure they're bent up. We'll zoom in on that right now. You can see now how that is now how it's bent up. And there you go. Prop changed out. So that's how easy it is to change out the prop, and if you have any questions, just let me know and we'll get them answered. Yeah, we can change the prop, any size bolt motor, any size hub. If you're not sure what it is, just send me your year, make, and model, and I can look up for you and tell you exactly what kind of hub you need, what assembly, what prop will work, what prop won't work, and go over prop sizes, because they have a lot of numbers on here on prop sizes and how they all work. Feel free to drop me a comment. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon.